You know that feeling? It's 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. You're staring at your computer screen and you're not just tired, you're empty. You've done everything right, the degree, the job, the grind, but inside it feels like something essential is missing. Here's the hard truth. You're not burnt out because you work too hard. You're burnt out because you stop believing your work matters. When the why disappears, the what feels like a heavy weight. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to fix that. We are not just going to vent about work, we are going to solve it. First, I'll show you why you burnt out is actually a meaning disconnect. Then, we'll use a purpose pulse to spot the leak. I'll give you 3 shifts to fix it today. And finally, help you answer the big question: should you change your mindset or change your job? Let me introduce you to Priya, name changed. She's 34, a project manager, just got a promotion, good pay, hybrid schedule. On paper, she's crushing it. She tells her friend she's busy but good. But privately, her work feels like an endless checklist, not a calling. And every Sunday night, she feels this heavy dread in her chest, wondering, is this really it? Then comes the breaking point. It's 11:42 p.m. She's reworking slides for the third time. Her phone lights up. She missed her best friend's birthday dinner. Again, she tells herself, if I just get through this quarter, but deep down she knows that's a lie. And in the quiet of that office, a new question cracks open. Not, how do I finish this? But, why am I even doing this? This is a meaning chain. In a healthy career, your values fuel your daily tasks, which create an impact you care about. Burnout happens when this chain breaks. You're still doing the task, but they aren't connected to who you are. The result isn't just tiredness, it's cynicism. It's that heavy Sunday dread. To fix this, we don't need just rest. We need to repair the links between what you do and why it matters. First, stop guessing. Define your top 3 core values. Maybe it's growth, service, or creativity. Second, map your week. Look at your calendar. Which meeting drains you, which energizes you. Finally, design the 20%. You might not change your whole job right now, but can you dedicate 20% of your time to a project that matters? That's where the spark returns. Consistency beats intensity. Try the 2 minute meaning journal every night. Just ask, who did I help today? Second, protect your energy with a boundary ritual to actually shut down work. And third, reframe your meetings. Start by asking, what's the impact instead of just what's the agenda. These micro habits rewire your brain for purpose. So, how do you decide? Here's the framework. Choose the mindset shift. If the gap feels temporary, or if you have a leader who lets you experiment, but if the clash is structural, like the company sells something you don't believe in, or the dread is chronic, it's time for a job shift. But wait, before you quit, commit a 30-day micro experiment first. If this resonated, subscribe to Mind Soul Code for practical tools every week. In the comments, tell me what's one value you want more of in your work. And don't forget to grab the free Purpose Pulse worksheet below. Next week, we are tackling why smart people stay stuck. You don't want to miss it.